Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that we use adverbs of frequency to show how often something happens or to indicate routine or repeated activities. Now create a sentence using the words or phrases in the bracket. I to invite sometimes my friends over. I sometimes invite my friends over. Now the most common adverbs of frequency are always, usually, normally, generally, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, hardly ever, rarely, and never. Now create a sentence using the following words or phrases in the bracket. We to go on Wednesdays occasionally to the pub. We occasionally go to the pub on Wednesdays. She to go in the morning to the gym often. She often goes to the gym in the morning. Also remember to place adverbs that tell us how often something happens before the main verb but after auxiliary verbs. Now, if there is a verb to be, then the adverb goes after the main verb. Now create a sentence using the words or phrases in the bracket. Michael first to call Anne usually. Michael usually calls Anne first. My mom with us never to be angry. My mom is never angry with us. Note that we can also use the following expressions when we want to be more specific about the frequency. For example, every day, once a month, twice a year, 3 times a year, etc. Now create a sentence using the words or phrases in the bracket. I to eat once a month, pizza, usually. I usually eat pizza once a month. Now, if you need to use more than one adverb of time in a sentence, make sure to use them in the following order. First, how long? Second, how often? Third, when? Now create a sentence using the words or phrases in the bracket. Kate to work daily last month for 10 hours. Kate worked for 10 hours daily last month.